Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to create a new layer in Photoshop. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To add a new layer in Photoshop, there are 3 ways to create one. You can use the keyboard shortcut of Ctrl or Command on a Mac, Shift and the letter N. You can also create a new layer by clicking on the small plus icon in a square, which is in the Layers panel in the bottom right of the screen, or by selecting the Layer tab at the top, then by hovering over New, and then by selecting Layer. And so that is how to create a new layer in Photoshop. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.